I have this particular scientific paper and I want to extract this data. This is kind of a tabular data, but it's not a properly defined table. Actually, you don't have any grid lines, but I want to extract this data into Excel or CSV using Python. So if you look into this scientific paper, you will see that we have a 2-column PDF file. This is first column, this is second column in that particular page, and I do have this particular table in the first column section, and I want to extend this data. And how can I do this? Okay, I have recorded 6 or 7 different videos on this particular topic, how to extract data from table. So please check them out if you want to learn how to use different parameters. So let me just show you that. So I'm going to use PyMo PDF library here. So I'm just going to install that. It's already installed. And then I'm just going to open that particular PDF file. Let me just open this, get that 9th page. If you can see, this is the 9th page, but in Python index is 0 based, so the 9th page is basically the 8th index. Okay, now if you look into this one, this clip property, that's why I said that I have created multiple videos on this topic. If I want to use this find tables, I have lots of different parameters that I can specify. In this particular one, I am specifying that what's the clip, what's the horizontal strategy, what's the vertical strategy. So if you don't know, please check them out, those previous videos. Okay, basically just to give you some basic idea, I don't have any grid line here. That's why I'm using horizontal strategy as a text, vertical strategy as a text. So it will put all the same line of text into one particular row and all the same line of text into one column when the x coordinate is same. Okay, for this one. So that's how this horizontal and vertical strategy text works. Okay, but if we had grid line, then I would use line or lines strict. Okay, so please watch those video to understand different parameter and how to extract this 340, 300 and 420. Okay, so that's how I get this particular PDF table data, and you can see it's better, but still you can see the column header is wrong, right? It's not properly formatted as it is in this particular PDF file, and we'll have some challenges on this one because it's not going to show you that subscript and superscript in a PDF, like data frame headers. So you need to handle that kind of like this, that okay, rename this particular column into a proper column, like complex. This is delta G for TS1, this is byte angle for TS1, this is theta C for TS1, and so on. So just rename that and do some cleanup and convert that data into a numeric one, because I can see all the data in this particular table is a numeric data. So that's why I'm just converting them into a numeric data using apply pd.toNumeric, and then that's it. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. If you want to learn anything about PDF automation on a scientific paper, please let me know in the comment section. Have a good day.